Hello, it's Alicia with WTI, and unfortunately a lot of us are finding that we have a favorite type of N95 mask and I want to show you these ones. I really like this brand. These are from OKIAAS and these are a KN95 mask. You get 25 masks and there's a couple things that I like about these. First of all, I like that they are black. I feel like they just look a little bit less clinical than the white ones. So these are what they look like. And again, you get 25 of them. So it's a really good price for these masks. And I love that these have the ear loops on the side and not over the head. So they're much more comfortable for me. And I also like that as somebody with a smaller face, these fit really comfortably. So I have a hard time with masks that really cut me off down here and make me feel like I'm choking. And these are perfect. They're very comfortable. The material inside is soft. It doesn't feel itchy or tickle the front of your face. So overall, they just work really well. They fit very nicely. They have the metal nose bridge here so you can get a really nice fit. And just a nice, high quality, comfortable mask. So if you're looking for some new N95 masks, then I would recommend these ones. I think they're really comfortable, they're a great value and good quality, and that's my point of view.